Hey you guys, I am back with another video. If you want to see how I got this super cute, quick, easy, and super affordable hairstyle, stay tuned. Okay, so straight to the point, we're gonna comb the hair out and then we're gonna slick it down with some Shine and Jam. Or if you want, you can use some Eco Styling, but I like the Shine and Jam. And just gonna put that like a little bit around the perimeter and then you're gonna brush that in nice. Literally just doing two ponytails, you guys. This is so quick and so simple and braidless. So just put in that slick ponytail. Yes, don't make it too tight because you still have to crochet. You don't want too much tension. So yeah, we got that nice and smooth. And then we literally start the process. All right, so I use this pack from the hair store. A lot of hair stores have it. It's like a one pack is enough. And it was 8, 10, and 12 inches. So literally you're just gonna go through your real hair, well, like the ponytail, and literally just go side to side, all the lengths. I had started off on accident with some short pieces, as you can see, but who cares? Just cover it up and keep going. So that's what we're gonna do all the way until you get to the top of the back ponytail, and then we're gonna get to the back part. And remember, it doesn't have to be super tight, but you see how full that is? That's one pack, you guys, and I think the pack is like $13 or $14. So this hairstyle is definitely baddie on a budget, okay? Nice and affordable, especially for you college girls. So we are to the front. And I'm still filling in the back part, but now I can be able to actually see myself in my mirror. So that's why I went ahead and turned it. But yeah, you're literally just going to fill your way sometime because there might be a little bit of spaces that you don't see. But literally just go right in and put it where you want it to be at. And make sure it's a nice amount that you're crocheting the hair underneath too, because you want it to actually have some grip. And my hair is relaxed and I'm transitioning, so that natural, that is coming in help really secure it. But yeah, you guys, I always like to keep my hair up, and sometimes, you're not able to spend a whole bunch of money, but at the same time, you don't need a whole bunch of money to look great. So this is definitely one of my go-tos that I will be doing quite often, and will be experimenting with a lot of different ways to really rock these looks. So stay tuned for the next video. I'm definitely going to do one that's really cute, and it has something to do with this same type of hair. So batting on the budget, it's that time. We got to focus on a lot of things. So yeah, I'm loving it so far. I've done this look before. Well, not the braidless, but something like this, raw crochet. And I just love it. It's so cute. I love that textured look. All right, so now we are to the top, and I kind of pressed that ponytail, well, my little bun, just to flatten it, and I crocheted underneath it as well. And now I'm just sticking like throughout the bun, and then for a few pieces, I'm actually gonna stick around the ponytail. But yeah, we're just gonna fill in that part, fill in that bun, and then of course, the bigger, if you want more texture, you want it to be bigger, of course, you just, carefully split apart some of those pieces and make it bigger. But you don't want to do too big, because the crochet hair does tangle and frizz really easily. So be careful. And if you want that big look, definitely be careful. You have to cut off a little bit of the excess frizz, but for the most part, it's definitely a style that you can be able to rock for a little minute. And if you need to do it again, it's only $13. It's better than $300 and something at the moment, So I think I have a few more pieces left. I thought I was running out, and I was like, oh no, but then I was like, oh, this little bun, we'll be able to get it going. And so you see, I'm just separating some of the pieces, making sure pretty much at this point, just trying to make sure spots are filled in, where to put the last few pieces at, and just pretty much face framing it as I finish off the style. Excuse me. And if you want to, of course, if you want to, you know, you can cut off some parts if you want it to be a little bit shorter at the top, but I like the long look. I'm just using a little bit of edge control just to really help slick the rest of those edges. And my edges are quite fine, so I definitely are always finding ways to rock this look. Well, looks to cover up my edges, you know. So this is pretty much it, you guys. Like, super cute, super easy. And it literally took me 30 minutes for this look. And there you have it. This is the finished look. Super cute, super easy, definitely affordable. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be giving you guys some amazing content. Comment below what you want to see next and follow me on Instagram at @IM_Tatiana. And you beauties have a beautiful day.